session is of Pankajray Patel, who is a director and professor of Graduate School of Management Studies, Gujarat Technical University. He has more than 22 years of teaching experience and 5.5 years of experience in industries. He has successfully guided 5 students for PhD and also guided MBA program IGNOU. 2 of his papers won Best Paper Award at International Conference conducted at GTU. I welcome you, sir, on the stage for the session.
In an online mode, but he insisted that somebody should go because Vikram is our student at Gujarat Technological University. So even our School of Pharmacy's director was supposed to come, but somehow Pharmacy Council of India had an inspection today at his institute, so that is where ultimately I ended up. But I am from management field, so pharmacy, I see it from managerial perspective, from economics, from what can be the change post-COVID in this era. So that is where my whole presentation is on. How will this COVID has affected the industry and how will it change? So we start with this. First, the effects of COVID pandemic. 2 years, 3 months ago, World Health Organization declared a pandemic. Almost on an average, 1 in every 1300 people alive in 2019 has died because of COVID. 2 years on, it is easy to forget how remarkable the development of COVID-19 vaccine is. Moving in just 326 days from a genomic sequence to the authorization of a vaccine shattered all previous records. Earlier, almost it used to take 8, 9, 10 years. So this is a commendable achievement. Peak of the crisis, overstretched healthcare organizations were battling to save lives and control infection rates while also protecting their frontline staff. So that is where pharmaceutical industry and all the other healthcare industries have taken a major blow in this COVID-19. COVID-19 was disrupting their regular day-to-day operations. Months of the pandemic led to raw material supply disruptions to expedited approval of repurposed medicines and now vaccines on a very large scale. So these were the major challenges and ultimately changes took place. So much time and resource being allocated to the pandemic, every aspect of the pharma value chain, from manufacturing to sales to marketing is changing. The reality is that working practices across the industry may never be the same again. We will be seeing, especially the pharmaceutical and the healthcare industry, a total level of disruptions. That what even my predecessor, Mr. Ashok Bajaj, also talked about. Not a whole of society issue, in fact, whole of world. Vaccine development paradigm has been transformed for emergencies and potentially for more. So maybe in years to come, generations to come, we'll have still faster development of vaccines. Conversely, weakness in vaccine manufacturing and equitable distribution will require systematic change. Making of vaccine was not a major challenge, but managing the vaccine for the whole country, first dose, second dose, now booster dose, and even for the entire world, that itself is a much bigger challenge. So that is one of the best lessons that we have learned, but somehow we all have seen that it was only the miracle of vaccine that saved lot many lives during the second year. Otherwise, we all had seen what had happened earlier and what happened just 2-3 months back. Trust is one of the most delicate but critical requirements for an effective pandemic response. The doctor, as Sir was talking about, you never physically meet the doctor, but still you have got trust in him. And so that is nothing but an outcome of this pandemic. Agility and speed will be the new basis for differentiation. How fast you can change, how agile you are, that will make you a success. Government policy matters, but individual behavior sometimes matters more. Government can come out with lot many suggestions, lot many policies, but ultimately it is the individual like you and me who needs to implement. Government kept on saying social distancing, all those types of precautions, mask, but Unless and until the individual practices, the society will not change. Work at office or at home will never be the same. Economic stimulus works, but only in concert with strong public health measures. Lot many countries came out with lot many different types of economic stimulus, but we know the effect. That maybe lot of investments we need to do, or maybe even more institutions to stop this type of the whole pandemic spread all across the world. What went wrong in the initial 3 months was crucial. If somehow we could avoid that, then the world will not see such type of a pandemic at such a level. COVID-19 pandemic devastated the world's health but may leave a lasting legacy of improving how the world addresses healthcare. Earlier pandemic was way back in 1920, but at that time naturally healthcare, pharmacy, whole world has learned a lot, and so that is where we are in a better position to address the future pandemic. COVID-19 pandemic devastated the world's health but may leave a lasting legacy of improving how the world addresses healthcare. So that is where we need to change a lot. And then ultimately the vaccination miracle. I purposely used the word miracle because it was vaccines only that has saved the world, not only India. Pharmaceutical manufacturing units that caters to demand from more than 150 countries. That means we are talking about almost 75 to 80%. This in a totality. Aspects of the manufacturing network and the manufacturing strategy, design and detailed planning phases needs to accommodate strategic decision making will have both immediate and long-term implications. Use analytics and solution scenarios to support selection. Take time to get the facts. It is critical to collect good data and align the fact with or start planning for the other functions. A clearly defined and communicated stage-gate process ensures alignment at the level of detail required to progress to subsequent stages and limits the tendency to redo analysis used to benchmark and measure annual tangible goals, provide a sense of progress, and combat a lack of urgency that can sometimes afflict the long-term network strategy. Integrate moves into the profitability of sending and receiving sites, measuring the profit. More companies are outsourcing production to contract manufacturers, adding new modalities such as cell therapy, exploring novel ways to reach patients.
Now I would request sir and ma'am to present moment.